Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'll be doing an eye look using the Bronzed Rustic palette from Juvia's Place. It's a 6-pan palette with beautiful warm browns, a warm yellow, and a really pretty pop of coral, and 2 really beautiful metallics, one of which is a duochrome. I did have to dip into another palette because the dark brown matte shade in this palette wasn't deep enough for my liking, but overall I really enjoyed this palette. Everything I use on the eye will be listed in the description box below. So let's get started. If you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing because I do makeup tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.